Hello friends, in this video we will talk about smart cities. The phrase smart cities refers to geographical regions that have invested heavily in information and communication infrastructure to facilitate the management of the region both for businesses and for the quality of life of its citizens. The word smart alludes to the idea that the growth and facilities of the region evolve with coordination, planning, and greater efficiencies as opposed to an unplanned and carefree region. The Government of India defines smart cities as cities that provide core infrastructure and give a decent quality of life to its citizens, a clean and sustainable environment, and application of smart solutions. The smart solutions are based on an IT infrastructure and include facilities such as electronic governance, waste management, water management, energy management, urban mobility management, and other similar type of services. Now we will talk about the history of the term smart cities. In developed countries like USA, the population in cities has grown significantly. For example, in the year 1900, the percentage of US population living in cities was about 35%. This went up to about 75% in the year 2000. This growth has come from location of industrial production in urban centers and the latter proliferation of facilities such as education, healthcare, entertainment, and transportation. Developed countries, developed nations have also experienced massive migration of population from rural to urban centers in search of work and for better opportunities. In India too, rapid industrial growth has led to increase in urbanization. This was because of rapid growth of cities in India following India's policies of industrialization and trade liberalization, especially after 1980s or you can say 1990s. Cities such as Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, Chennai experienced industrial growth through development of information technology, manufacturing services, and other service industries. It led to massive demand for labor along with other resources such as land, water, and energy. This attracted many people to migrate to these cities in search jobs and employment opportunities. Now, this growth has led to increase in wealth and improvement in the overall standard of living of people who were inclined to this. It has also led to massive problem of air and water pollution, inflation in real estate prices, traffic congestion, waste removal, and also waste management problem. There were other problems also like shortage of services for and also in reduction in public parks. Bangalore is a case in point where the population has nearly doubled over the last decade and a half. And this has created difficult problems or congestion, pollution, resource depletion, and shortage of amenities. The motivation for smart cities comes from a need to address these problems of cities where the power of information technology can be leveraged to manage resources and improve conditions. One of the foundations of smart cities is that of perceiving and recording various parameters of city, especially city's environment. This sensing is done by electronic sensors that are distributed across the city and provide data to connected networks that store and process this information. Data sensing is done for a vast number of phenomena, and the most popular ones we will talk about. Sensing of transport system including movement of individual vehicles, public transport, density of traffic at physical locations, speeds, and range of travel. Sensing of consumption of power and water usage, where smart meters relay data to central networks. Also, sensing of particle density in air and water to gauge pollution level. Sensing of garbage production, accumulation, and removal. Other type of sensings like sensing of land use, agriculture activity, soil erosion, and construction activity. Also sensing of building temperature and illumination, arrival and departure of people, consumption of energy and water, and use of parking facilities. Also can be included sensing of access to healthcare facilities, location of diseases, spread of diseases, and availability of medical facilities. In a similar way, information and communication technologies can be used to understand the problem and to manage the problem efficiently. Friends, in the next video we will talk about a different case study about traffic, how to solve this traffic problem. For this video, thank you.